You get me. Sun's blazing out. Here it comes now. Cross country, Edinburgh to Plymouth. How long is it? Just gone past. Another train coming in now. He's giving it some. That's the East Midlands Meridian train going from London St Pancras to Sheffield. Here we go, here he is. Good night Wednesday night. We're all tooting tonight. We're having some good fun here tonight. Yeah, here it is now. Here's the Turbostar coming down the line. There we go. That Turbostar is just going into Duffield station. So we're dropping off and picking up passengers there.
And we've got the old one coming.
Hey. They are happy tonight, aren't they, all peeping away?
Green down.
It's gone green, the lighthouse, so here it is, coming under the bridge now. You can see it here. go, another toot as well. That was a really good one. They're really tooting tonight, aren't they, eh? Yeah, it's been a lovely day today. It still is now. Just got a nice breeze here though. That's a good thing on top of this bridge. We've got a breeze. So we're doing all right tonight. Ronnie, hello there. Here we go. There's a CrossCountry Voyager coming past. Here we go. Whoa! And even the cross countries are peeping their horns tonight. That's amazing. We don't usually get peeps out of the cross countries. Here it is now, see the lights on the rails. Tom's going to give it a wave and stuff, see if he can get it to peep. No, it's not peeping, that one. That one's not. It doesn't want to peep his horn. And that's 222015. Cross country never keep track of time. Yeah, they're always late when I'm on them. There we go. There's the cross country off into the distance, going on to Derby. Here comes now the Meridian. Hey, there we go. Meridian there, class 222, sorry, going to Derby. Here it comes. See you, Tom. Look careful, get quick. Oh my word. Loads of scrap metal in there. So that one is it was a class 66 DB rail train. Class 222, East Midlands Rail Meridian, going from St Pancras to Sheffield. Type bringing everyone back home for the day. Waving, I'm not tooting tonight. There's the 170, that one's going from, so that comes from Matlock and goes to Nottingham. Yeah, here's a cross country coming now. Thank you to follows. Oh, that was a good toot, wasn't it, from that one? Really loud. There we've got cross country going through there. There we go, there's the class 43. There we go. So that one's off through, passing Duffield station now. Yeah, it's coming now, I can hear it. Yep, so here we go. Here it comes. There we go, shooting off into the distance.